This video was shot in a controlled environment. Please use all appropriate personal protective equipment and take precaution when performing any of the actions taken in this video. In order to install your Genesis SRT Economizer with Siemens actuator and control package, you will need a corded or cordless drill, a 5/16 drill bit, self-tapping screws, and cable ties. Begin by removing the filter access panel and indoor coil access panel. Remove the unit control box panel. You must also remove the indoor blower access panel. You must also remove the inner control box panel. Install the economizer in the unit over the return air opening and secure it in place. Remove the factory jumper plug from the 12-pin harness and connect it to the Siemens actuator harness. In the inner control box, mount the Siemens controller. Disconnect the 12-pin male plug from the unit control board. Connect the 12-pin male plug from the Siemens controller to the unit control board. Connect the unit's 12-pin male plug to the wiring harness's female 12-pin plug labeled Econ. Your economizer will either ship with one of two sensors for the indoor blower section, a 99015056 or a 99011619. We will now go over how to install those in the indoor air section. Attach the base of the sensor to the indoor air blower section by using two self-tapping screws. Next, run the wires from the inner control box into the indoor blower section. To connect the sensor, take the green wire from the sensor and connect it to the red wire going back to the inner control box. Take the red wire from the sensor and connect it to the brown wire going back to the inner control box. Now match up the pink and purple wires from the inner control box to the pink and purple wires running to the front of the unit. In the indoor air blower section, mount the 99015056 as shown. The sensor has two wires. Take the blue wire from the sensor and connect it to the red wire running back to the inner control box. Take the brown wire and match it up to the brown wire going back to the inner control box. The W-LAN stick is sold separately but is required to use the Siemens phone app and to allow for GPS location data. Without it, the controller must be programmed by hand using the inputs on the front face of the controller. Thank you for watching MicroMetl Academy.